Did your home garden start strong but suddenly turn into weak plants, patchy growth, or constant replanting? Before blaming the weather or buying more plants, here's what you need to know. Welcome to WholeToolBox. Most gardening problems don't appear overnight. They usually begin with small planning mistakes, like poor soil preparation, improper sunlight, overcrowding, or transplant stress. The good news is that most of these issues can be prevented with the right approach early on. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make is underestimating sunlight. A garden may seem sunny at first, but sunlight patterns change throughout the seasons. Before planting, monitor how sunlight moves across your yard, because most garden plants need at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Another common issue is overcrowding. When plants are placed too close together, they compete for water, nutrients, and airflow. This often leads to weak growth, disease problems, and difficult maintenance. Proper spacing and smart irrigation planning can make a major difference in your garden's long-term health. Poor soil is another reason gardens struggle. Even regular watering cannot fix unhealthy soil. Testing your soil, adding compost, and improving drainage help create stronger roots and better nutrient balance naturally. And if your plants wilt after transplanting, don't panic. Transplant shock is common, especially with young seedlings. Gradually introducing plants to outdoor conditions, handling roots carefully, and watering correctly after planting can greatly improve survival rates. Smart gardening is not about working harder. It's about planning smarter, spotting small problems early, and creating the right conditions for healthy growth from the start. For trusted gardening tools, lawn care equipment, and outdoor solutions, visit WholeToolBox. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media for more gardening and outdoor maintenance tips. Thanks for watching.